Stay tuned for part 3, the jacket. The jacket is going to be made out of the same fabric that the shorts are made of. The shorts has pockets. Would you sew this outfit? Let me know. Hello, Alethea here. We're back. We're building a pattern. This is the bra, and I'll walk you step by step through the bra. The pattern is Simplicity 3150. We did the pants. Now this is part 2. We're gonna do the bra. We're gonna sew the bra, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Here are the shorts with the cuffs. That was video part 1. And along with the bra outfit, I showed you the bucket hat to go along with the bra. The bra has straps that's attached to it. Let's see, did I put it on there? I thought I did, but I didn't. So the bra is view 2 on this pattern. And part 3 will be the jacket, and that will be a pattern with 3 parts. Let's roll. So this is the outfit of the day, and I will link it in the description box. Tell me, what is your favorite type of pattern to sew? Modern versus vintage? Let me know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. So this is the dress. It has pockets. I added the sleeves to it and decided to use the animal print down the button front and the sleeves and collar, just to make it pop. Tell me, what's your favorite, vintage or modern patterns? Let me know. Thanks to all the subscribers. So let's go. So this is how the bra is looking. It's attached in the back with buttons, and these are the buttons that I'm going to use for this, the back. And because it's so thin, it's going to be lined as well. I've cut some strips of interfacing to put down the end of the bra, of course, around the buttonhole section. And I'm going to press them on. So let's see. These are the straps. They attach from the back portion, and they go across like that. Like this. Okay, so this is where we are with the bra. I've sewed all of the seams. Got to clean up my work next. I even put the interfacing on the edges. I also copy my buttonhole. I finish the dots. This is the inside, of course, and this is what it's looking like on the outside. So have to clean it up, press it, and move forward. I believe next this trim has to be basted on top like this. Cleaning up the work. Have to take out the basting stitches. Loose threads. I'm just gonna flip this so I can show you how the seam is looking on the inside. They have to be flipped and pressed and pulled out on the end. How to install the lining or facing on S3150 Simplicity number 2, the bra. We're going to sew the bra up and install it on the bra. So the bra is looking just like this. It's the share of the outer garment, and we're going to sew this up and install it on the bra. I'm going to sew my notches first and then my seams. All the seams are completed sewing, and I have to clean up my work and press. So the lining has been cleaned up, pressed, and trimmed. So what we're gonna do is take the lining and the bra with right size spacing, matching our dots and our circles, line it up, pin it down, and sew from one end of the bra all the way around and leaving the left side of the bra open. So I'm gonna pin now. This is how it's looking after it's been pinned. Then I'm gonna baste it and stitch it up. This is how it's looking after it's been flipped over. It has to be pressed. Here's the scraps sewn in place. Left side has to be slip stitch and buttonholes placed on the right side. Now we're done. This is the finished look for the bra. The buttons have to be attached and also the straps. And that left side has to be slip stitched by hand. Let's see, this is how the back is looking. I pinned it up on here as best I could. So this is the back, and the straps are included inside the lining or facing. Buttonholes goes here. And she came out pretty good. I'm very pleased with it, and it was very easy to sew and quick. It was very quick to sew, and it's an easy project. Let me know if you would sew this bra. Thanks for watching. So this completes part 2 of building or build a pattern Simplicity 3150. This was part 2, the bra, as you can see, and part 1 was the shorts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Sweet sewing inspirations. Let me know in the comment if you would sew this pattern. It's rated easy, and the bra is less than 30 to 60 minutes after cutting. Very easy breezy with the lining. Stay tuned for part 3, the jacket. The jacket is going to be made out of the same fabric that the shorts are made of. The shorts has pockets. Would you sew this outfit? Let me know.